Hello 2018. You got my money? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl B. Hey. It's the end of 2017. So I gotta do a New Year's Eve look, right? Of course. So let's just hop right into it. First, you know drill, we're gonna start by priming and moisturizing. So I'm gonna use two primers. I'm gonna use my Benefit Professional Cover FX mattifying primer. After that's pressed into the skin, I'm gonna go in with the Mario Badescu. Next, we're gonna move on to eyebrows. Brow by Benefit in the color 4. LA Girl Pro in the color Warm Honey. You know I'm priming my lid with the Urban Decay. As you can see, I don't have on any individuals today. I did have to take them off after my last filming because something was irritating my eye and I just had to let go of everything. And add this NYX base. Okay, and now we're back. I got one eye done, as you can see. Now we're gonna start on the other one. ColourPop Color. I like their little singles. They're so freaking cute. This is the color Elixir. The color Elixir, and this is what the color looks like. So pretty, super neutral. I like the sheen that these give off, although they are supposed to be like matte. But I like the sheen. So I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush. I want to take out this brush from BH Cosmetics. I've had it for a while. I love this blending brush. It's so big and fluffy and it covers the canvas that I wanted to. Blend that into my crease area. Next, I'm going to take the Morphe palette that I love so much. I'm going to take the 35B palette, this color right here, using a flat blending brush. Put this color into the crease area. Again with that blending brush with nothing added, and then just blend it out more. Now another flat shader brush. I don't remember where I got these brushes from. I really don't remember. I'm going to pick up this midnight bluish color and I'm going to work that on the outer and bring it in. To take my NYX Avant Pop now the fun part. Glitter prime it, and I'm just gonna dollop that onto my eye in the middle. I'm gonna take a flat brush, designated as my glitter brush, pick up some glitter and tap that onto my eye. Around the glitter with a little bit more of the blue. I'm gonna go in with my favorite liquid liner, my NYX matte liquid liner. Now I'm going to put on some Bomb Mink lashes that were sent to me by my friend. She has this hairline called Beautiful Mane, M-A-N-E, and she sent me these lashes to try out. I'm gonna go ahead and start on my skin. You know the drill, just my concoction in the bottle, my concoction in the bottle, my NW45 and my NC45. This is the ColourPop. This is the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in the number 10. Talk to me nice, or don't talk to me twice. I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. Gonna do what I made me for it. We're gonna go ahead and set. We're gonna set with Sacha Buttercup in the color Buttercup. While that sets, I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of this blue and I'm gonna throw it under my eye. Life just wouldn't be life if I didn't go in with my favorite mascara, L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black. Oldie goodie. Take this nice fluffy dome brush and dust everything off while setting the rest of my face. I'm gonna go ahead and I can never think of the name of what I need to do when I need to do it. It's just really something wrong with me. I'm gonna go ahead and bronze up my skin, add a little bit more color to it, or contour, whatever you want to call it. And now I'm done with the skin. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Maria Badescu Rose Water. I like this as a setting, although it's really skincare, but I like this as a setting. I'm gonna go in with this fan brush that I got from ColourPop. It doesn't have a number on it. It's just a regular fan brush. And I'm gonna go in with my favorite Laura Geller Ballerina, and we just go glow up those cheeks. So I'm gonna go in with this NYX NYX soft matte lip cream in the color Abu Dhabi. I love this color. Okay, so this is the final look. How you like it? How you like a whole lot? I'm sorry, I always associate a song with something that I'm saying. I don't know why I do that. Anyway, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoy your New Year's. Like, we're about to walk into a new year, sis. Like, get with it or get lost. Leave what you leaving back in 2017 and look forward to your future. Please remember to rate, thumbs up this video, subscribe, share with your friends, leave me some comments, let me know what you want to see me do. I'm down for anything. Enjoy your new year. I hope 2017 was as great to you as it was to me. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye.